Stop lying to yourself about what leadership in venture capital really means. You don't have the luxury of pretending this game is the same it was yesterday. The old ways, they're broken, outdated, and keep you stuck in endless cycles of surface-level deals, diluted influence, and compromises that choke your soul. How many times have you watched a hot startup crumble because the so-called leaders around the table lacked the guts to make the messy calls? How often have you felt powerless, frustrated, like you're running on empty while everyone expects you to perform miracles with less than nothing? This isn't just about money or spreadsheets. It's about owning the storm inside you, the unbearable tension that whispers you were made for something more, something beyond just writing checks or polishing pitches. True leadership today is savage honesty with yourself and those around you. It's ripping apart the illusion that you can succeed by playing safe or hiding behind titles and past glories. If you want to lead in venture capital right now, you must first destroy the comfort zone you cling to like a lifeline, because it's killing your vision, your power, your impact. Here's what nobody tells you. Leading as a general partner today means being ruthless in your clarity about the future, not just hopeful. It's not enough to chase the shiny trends or follow the herd packed in Silicon Valley or wherever. You must obsess over the deep patterns, the tectonic shifts that others miss because they're blinded by noise. Look deeper at the founders you back. Can they break not just markets, but paradigms? Can they withstand the loneliness of transformation? Your leadership demands you become a judge of character and destiny, not a gambler stuck on luck or network size. Stop waiting for perfect data or consensus. The world is burning faster than anyone admits, and hesitation is the poison that kills your edge. Take calculated but bold leaps. Set the tone where failure is not a bug, but a brutal teacher everyone honors. You alone decide if your fund is a safe harbor or a forge for real creators who will reshape the world beyond the illusions and borders that cage so many tired minds. Refuse to invest in what's comfortable or network-driven. Break the chains of sameness and the stale patterns of diversity that just replicate old limits in new packaging. True leadership is about cultivating a network of rare, explosive individual brilliance. People who challenge every inherited constraint, who reject national or tribal loyalty to fight for a global future that doesn't exist yet, but will because you and your peers pull it into existence. Build this network like your life depends on it, because it does. Demand brutal merit. Give power only to those who earn it moment by moment, not those who bought their way in or coast on legacy. Become obsessed with finding and connecting that rare few, the founders and partners who burn with constant becoming, not comfort or complacency. Strike alliances that are not about friendship or convenience, but about shared warfields of transformation and total freedom. Understand something crucial. Money is a tool, not the goal. Capital must serve the impossible. Fuel the ventures that tear down systems rather than prop up the status quo. If your fund doesn't ignite revolutions in mindset and market, it's just a zombie machine feeding mediocrity. Your leadership hinges on this radical purpose, this promise to every founder you partner with. We build what doesn't exist yet, and nothing less. So stop asking what leadership should look like, and start demanding what it must be. Merciless honesty, ferocious clarity, relentless connection, and unshakable courage to burn down illusions and build futures. Every second wasted in doubt is a second lost to fear. Lead like the world depends on it, because in venture capital today, it does.